Okay, I've got the Achansfam portable tire inflator here. So thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is a really nice little inflator here. I'll show you what it comes with first. It comes with a bag to carry it around in, charging cable, and there's a bunch of little nozzles here so you can inflate some inflatables, some balls, and this is for a bike nozzle here. So really easy to use. Power it on here. It has different modes, so right now it's on car, and then some preset pressures there. So motorcycle, bike, ball, and this is inflatables, I believe. And then after that, you can set the pressure you want if you want to adjust it, and then press the start. So really cool, easy to use. There's a light as well. So you've got a white light. There's also a red light. Blinking red, so good for emergencies. The charging is up here, so USB-C. You can also use it as a phone charger, so if you plug this in, you can charge up your phone if you need. You see it says out there, so it is outputting power, so you can charge up your phone in emergency, so that is really cool. So as you can see, I use this to pump up my bike really easily and quick. And then obviously for charging up your car tires as well. So it makes it really easy and convenient to inflate your car tires when you need to. You should always keep them up to pressure. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice tire inflator that's portable, small, easy to use, then be sure to give this one a try.